From pregnancy to traveling, my skin has been super dry. I have dry patches on my forehead and even on my cheeks, which isn't normal for me, so it's time to give my skin some TLC. Going in with HENRIKSEN Truth Serum. It brightens, fights visible signs of aging, and delivers all-day hydration for all skin types. It has vitamin C, collagen to help improve elasticity, orange and green tea extracts to help nourish the skin, and even aloe juice to help soften and condition the skin. Basically, a multivitamin for your skin. Next up is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. This brightens, firms, and instantly reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's for all skin types. It deeply hydrates the under eye area, and it makes makeup go on so much more smoother. It has vitamin C, the gold standard for targeting visible signs of aging, and collagen. Next is the C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This is a boost of moisture in a jar. It deeply hydrates, brightens the skin, and makes your makeup look amazing, and it's for all skin types. All of these faves from HENRIKSEN can be found in Sephora and site JCPenney. Make sure to head over to my Instagram for a special giveaway. I'm darkening my brows with my brow pencil, then following up with a light primer for my skin. I'm concealing all of my dark marks and hyperpigmentation for a flawless looking face, and I'm using a concealer that's the color of my skin. Now I'm going in with a cream concealer under the eyes to brighten up the under eye area. I'm going in with a liquid highlight to give me that bomb glow. I like to define my lips with a brown liner. And I'm topping it with a lip balm. To finish this look, I'm going in with some mascara. And this is the final look. Simple, easy, and only takes 5 minutes. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!